Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's take a look at some goth bedroom ideas. Goth is a style that many people love and many people don't love. It all depends on you, but if this is a style that you would like to recreate in your home, definitely check the description box. I have curated some items from Amazon that I think would be perfect in your new goth bedroom. Also, keep watching until the end. I have something for the people that like dark type bedrooms, but not necessarily a goth look. All right, guys, enjoy the video. So as promised, this section is for the people that like dark colors, but not necessarily a goth style. I love dark colors, I love dark bedrooms, but I'm not necessarily into goth, even though there are some Victorian goth rooms that I am absolutely obsessed with. So if you are a person that just likes really dark colors, you're able to relax and just chill, this section is all for you. And of course at the end I will show you my favorites. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to actually watch this video. If you want to see a little bit more, check out this one or this one. Just hit one of the videos. See you in the next one. Bye guys.